Hey guys, welcome back to learning session. Today we are going to discuss more about no phrases which are commonly used in informal spoken English. They are no wonder, no idea, no comments, no chance, no way. These are the phrases which are starting with no. Let us discuss how we use these phrases in English spoken. So let's see, the first one is what? No wonder. When we use this no wonder, it's not surprising. When something is not surprising, it is casual for you, then you use this no wonder. The example is what? The computer is not working again. Then what you say in answer? You say that no wonder it's not plugged in. It means you have not plugged in into the switchboard. Then you say this, no wonder it's not plugged in. And next one is what? No idea. No idea means what? I don't know. Example is what? Where is Ashok? No idea. And next example you can also make, where is Santosh? No idea. Last time I saw him in Bangalore. You can answer like this. And next is what? No comment. No comment means what? I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. When you want to reply, you use this no comments. You don't have to give a more explanation. So one example I have also written here. See, do you have anything to say about this accident? So in answer what you say? No comments, goodbye. Because you know, if you see any accident, there will be a lot of cops problem, or else anything could be there. That is the reason why you don't want to disclose or reveal, say anything, don't want to comment at all. So then you say no comments, goodbye sir. That's how you say, isn't it? And next is what? No problem or no bother. No, these are interchangeable in English grammar. You use this or this, whichever is right. So when you use this, it's not or it was not difficult to do something. Literally it is not difficult to do. You can do it easily. For example, what? Can you give me a lift? I ask you. Then what you say? No problem, no bother. Of course, I can lift you. However, I am going on the same road where you are going. That is how you reply, aren't you? Okay. And next, one more phrase, guys. I could not get a space to write on this board, so I just wrote here. This one more phrase is what? No way or no chance. See, whenever you want to refuse to do something, if anybody asks you, then you use this no chance, no way. So this is all about no phrases in English grammar. These especially we use informal spoken English. Be careful and make sure you are using this in informal spoken English. This is all about this no phrases in English grammar, guys. And as usual, guys, I speak about self improvement. So today I am going to show you another pose of yoga. I urge you to do it and practice it. And if you like this, please click thumbs up button and share it to your friends. As you share, you get to learn twice. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe guys. Thank you so much once again guys. Bye bye.